There's literally a ghost town over here. 1 kilo too much. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is Sunday and what am I gonna do today? Oh yeah, I'm gonna go to the beach today, and I actually just finished up a vlog, so last week's vlog. I'm trying to split the days a little good. I think in this vlog I'll also be like going home and stuff like that because I am leaving on Tuesday and today is Sunday, and I don't think I'll be vlogging a lot. I don't think I'll be vlogging a lot today or tomorrow, so I just wanted to include just a little bit of Aruba in the going home vlog because I just thought that would be way more fun than just going home and then home again, you know what I mean? So I just thought that would be way more fun. We're gonna go to the beach later. I'm gonna try my best to relax because it is around like 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock ish, and I've been working since 7 o'clock this morning, so I need to make sure that I also enjoy myself and not overwork myself now that I am still on vacation. I do have one thing that I have to do for school that I just thought of and I completely forgot, so I need to do that before I go. We're gonna go around 3:30, 4 o'clock ish, and we're gonna go to Arashi Beach, so I'm very excited just to go to the beach, get in the water for a little bit and just enjoy the sun and soak up the sun because winter is coming and I am not ready. So this is my view at the moment. Enjoy the view with me. I am going to miss this so much, you guys have no idea. Just to be able to lay here, you know, get some wind, some daily wind. It's not so windy today. As you can see, the palm tree is not really moving a lot, so it's not so windy today. When it's really windy, it moves a lot more. And look at that one over there. It's also pretty still, kind of. This is my view. I'm gonna miss it so much. So I've been busy packing. I only have my clothes in the suitcase right now because I'm how do you call that, I'm just a little not in the mood to pack. Like, I'm really not in the mood at all. I did manage to kind of organize everything. For example, I have all the jewelry already like packed in something, and then I have a bunch of like hair stuff over there, and then I have things that I don't need to go with anymore that I'm just gonna leave here because there's like not enough product in it or stuff like that. So it's coming along pretty good. I think I might be like semi-done tonight, and then for like finishing touches, like last things, I think I'll be done by tomorrow night, like for sure. Tomorrow I'm actually gonna go see my boyfriend's grandmother, and I don't know who else I'm gonna go see, but I just, you know, want to say goodbye to everyone because if we're not going to be here for a year, that means a whole year without seeing them. So I'm just gonna go say goodbye to everybody and just like hang out, maybe get some like KFC, I don't know, some like barbecue chicken wings because I haven't had that in a long time. I don't know. So then when I get back tomorrow, then for sure I'm just gonna finish up with everything. I have the AC on here, but I turned it off because we're leaving in a little bit, and I'm so glad for AC. Like, there's no way to explain how happy I am that we have some AC in this house because it is so hot today. It is hot, and that's how it's going. I got a crunch wrap, and oh look, they have the bakis, the plastic ones. Huh? I didn't even know that. Yeah, that means there's enough in here, like a good amount. Beach time with food, of course. It is now 7:30 in the morning on a Tuesday, and today we are flying back to Holland. So I decided to wake up super early today. Usually I would wake up around 7:30, but now I'm like up at 7:30. So I was up at like 6:45, something like that. I'm gonna go walk the Hooiberg today, and I think I might try to reach the top. I don't know if that's gonna happen. Just one last time waking up here in the morning and hearing all the birds chirp and just hearing the wind I mean, it's not as peaceful because we have a very loud road very close to us, but when it's quiet like this, like right now, and you just hear the birds. It's now 9 something. I think it's 9:47, and I have a couple of things that I still have to do. My suitcase is practically done. It just doesn't look very pretty, so I have to fix it up a little bit. All I have to still put in it are my lashes that I came with. I kind of want to shoot some video content still for Naomi Laing Beauty because I feel like I don't have enough video content, and I'm trying to not just post pictures. I would also like to have videos, so I think I might still kind of sneak that in somehow. I mean, it's only almost 10, you know what I mean? I'm gonna leave here at probably like 5 o'clock ish, 5:15, because we are flying at 7:10 and we have to board at 6:30. So yeah, I think that around that time would be great. So that's all I really have to do. I have to charge my laptop, I have to charge my camera, I have to charge my phone, and I have to re-braid my hair because my hair is looking a little crazy right now, and it's probably just gonna be out and about, so I want to re-braid it and make it look a little like decent. But for the rest, I'm pretty much done. I'm still gonna go into the jacuzzi today. So I'm very happy about that. I'm happy that I'm done. I'm happy that all I have to do is just fix up the room, and then like I could go about my day. Yesterday I actually went to see my boyfriend's family and say goodbye to everyone. I was really sad. I was like at the verge of tears. Like I was just, I don't know, I was not happy about anything yesterday, or not anything, but just the fact that I couldn't see them today again. They live a little far if you think about like Aruba style, not like Holland style, because that's not far at all, but they live a little bit further, and it just wouldn't make sense for me to go over there today and still do everything here and still try to like be around my family and stuff like that. So I had to say goodbye yesterday, and it was really sad. I am really excited because, for the part that I am excited about, because I'm not excited really about leaving, but still kinda, I have a lot of packages waiting for me at home. I don't know how many it is, but I'm just really excited to open everything. I ordered some things way before even leaving to Aruba, and they arrived when I was already on Aruba, so I'm excited about those things. It's some wig stuff that I can use, even though I haven't been wearing wigs. I haven't had a wig on in like 2 months. But I'll get back into that because I've been just, you know, like styling my own hair way too often, and it's not good for my hair, so I really want to get back into just wearing wigs and taking care of my hair under the wigs. But I have a lot of wig care stuff that I bought. I have some PR packages that are probably there. What else I have? I don't know what else I have, but I'm excited about it. I am about to run some quick errands. It's now 2 o'clock, and I'm going to go pick up my sister from school, and then after picking her up, I'm actually gonna go to the grocery store first because I want to get some of those like medical mask thingies, because we have to have our mask on at all times while we fly, and it's going to be 9 hours, so I want to make sure that I have enough masks just in case if this one is not good enough. This is the one I wore the last time, which was perfectly fine. I didn't really feel like I was suffocating too much, so it was okay. but I'm going to wear this one for sure, and then just to be sure I'm going to have like 3 more or something like that, maybe 4 more. I think I'm gonna buy like 2 packs just in case, because I know they're not gonna be that inexpensive when I'm back in Holland. So you know, I just want to have them, you know, just to be sure. So I want to go do that quick. Okay, well, my dad said I have to go pick up my sister first, so I'm gonna go do that first, and then I'm gonna go to the grocery store, and then I'm gonna go pick up my pizza because I wanted some Pizza Hut. Saying that I'm not gonna be here for at least like a year, I wanted to get some Pizza Hut, and then later my boyfriend is getting some Wendy's, so that on the plane we can eat Wendy's. I mean, it's not really gonna be like fresh really, but kind of fresh, and not like really hot or anything, but I don't care. I just want my last meal of Aruba to be Wendy's. Now, one thing that I'm not so happy about is the fact that the weather is looking a little bad. There's a huge gray cloud over us at this point, and I have really bad flying anxiety. I do not like to fly, so that is literally one of the main reasons why I decided to stay till the 15th of September, because that's the day my boyfriend wanted to leave, and there was no way I was going to fly alone. I mean, you know, it wasn't necessary, so I'm not going to fly by myself. I'm just going to stay longer and make sure that I'm not flying alone. So the fact that it's a little gray out is kind of flaring up some anxiety, because I don't like turbulence and stuff like that. I really don't like it. One thing I am gonna miss though is the driving. I really did not drive that much when I was here. Like, I've been here for 3 months, and the amount that I drove this vacation is really nothing compared to what I drove in December when I was here. If you watch my Vlogmas vlogs, I think I'm driving literally every single vlog, which is like every day. So not every single vlog, like from arriving to Aruba, I think I drove every single day. I'm gonna miss driving. So yeah, how do I feel now? I don't know how I feel. I think I feel pretty okay about leaving now. Like, I'm just ready to get this over with. Today was actually really chill compared to all the last times that that I was leaving. Like, the last day or the day of flying itself was usually really stressful, and this time it's not as stressful. I'm all the way packed. All I have to do is make sure that my suitcase isn't too heavy, because it feels like it's going to be, but it might just be like 23 kilos, so hopefully we're safe, and like that's good on that. Or if it is a little bit higher, I hope that my boyfriend, his suitcase is going to be a lot lower. That way they'll just like allow my suitcase to go like the last time, because it kind of like balances it out, you know what I mean? So I don't know, I'm nervous about that. I always get super nervous. Let me lock. I don't like to like stand in one spot with the car and just have the doors unlocked, like, oh, the sun is coming out. Yes, sun, please come back, sun. Yeah, I don't like to just stand in a spot and have like the possibility that someone just gets in the car, so I always make sure that I lock the doors. Oh, and also I wanted to swim, but I didn't get to swim yet because of like really wanting my suitcase to be absolutely done. I wanted everything to be like ready, set, let's go. So when I get home, which is hopefully around 3:30, because it's almost 2:50 now, and somebody is not here yet. So when I get home, I want to put on my bikini and jump in the water, and then after being in the water, I'm going to shower, put on my clothes, and go. That sounds very luxurious, does it not? We made it to the airport, and guess who's not here? The boyfriend.
Yo guys, background story.
And the other one you don't have
so my sister has 1 kilo too much, and Arion has 1 kilo too much too.
Okay, I quickly wanted to show you guys how empty it is inside. It's literally a ghost town over here, and my boyfriend wanted some pictures so he could show everyone. Y'all, empty. Usually whenever we fly back, even like last year, over here was super full. Oh my gosh, full of people. Anyways, time to go. It's time to go back. We're all practically settled. I'm gonna take off my shoes. Hi.